Halt. Halt one time, please. Halt. Halted. It's halted. Wow. There we go. Okay, that was a good one. Okay, time to add. Should we add or what? GME add on trend? I mean, let's add on trend. That's good. That big seller jumped in at 150, right? He had 500,000 shares. He's shorting. He has another 200,000 shares. So he's gonna have to cover. Well, don't get me wrong. Maybe he covers at $40. A multi-billionaire, right? Let's see where he covers. I'm adding though. I just hope I get 130 mark. 130.
Oh crap! It went down.
Yeah.
It halted.
It halted down.
Oh no! I didn't even get to make money on that thing.
But I thought you put a stop loss in.
Doesn't matter. It gapped down like.
No, it didn't gap down. It moved down.
Yeah, it did.
Really?
Because I put a stop at 21, and the spread was like in the 25 and higher.
Yeah.
And then I got kicked out at 14.
Oh, okay. You have options. Yeah.
Yeah.
Options does that. I don't even know why. It's dumb. It does that to me sometimes too. When I'm in an option and it gaps over my stop.
That one was on his account, but then I had a short on the 130.
Oh, nice.
On my other account, so that one's still green. So when you're playing these like crazy ones, you kind of have to either hedge, or if you bought it so low, I mean, it's okay, right?
Yeah.
It's hard to get into something after it's gone up such a significant amount.
Okay, let's add LUMN here for a swing. 13. Here's good. Stop at 13, I think. It did. I know it didn't break 15, so you couldn't get it into there. Now I think it's reversing. So LUMN. Like, I have no idea why this is going up. I don't know the news. It looked like it had a deal with Nebraska. Is that why it's up? Stop at say 12.95. Aim for 18 swing. Yeah, it's just a good setup. Good setup until it crashes.
Where did Spike go to today? A high.
Oh, classic.
Where did it go? Oh, okay, I see.
Yeah, I thought, I think it's by 387, but nowhere near it, right?
No, it's not gonna cross 385.
It's just, yeah, it's getting a little choppy. Okay, I need to swing.
I really don't think it's gonna cross 385 until the end of this week. The next week it'll break out or break down.
Oh. Okay, here comes GME. Okay, I'm just gonna do 50 shares here. I mean, it's it's extremely risky. But if you wake up and this thing is at 200 with 50 shares, right?
Okay, I'll join shares with you. What? It's like halted again?
No, it's still halted.
Okay, I see.
Hopefully this is just a volatility halt. Like, because I want to trade this still, but
Log is a bit risky now. I'm kind of worried.
it's completely possible that this thing halts here for 6 months. They have to explain. Oh, okay, there it is. Okay, get in. Okay, there it is. Got it. Okay, put my stop loss at 132.
Oh my god.
Put my
Good
stop
job.
loss. Put my stop loss at 132.
Why I don't like stop losses.
No, I'm not stopped. No, I didn't. Put my stop
No,
loss.
I'm just saying for myself. I usually don't use stop losses.
On trend, baby. I mean, I'm not smart.
He like volatile ones under his account. What was I thinking?
Oh, please don't. Oh wait. Okay, still in it. Okay. Okay, so I got my entry at 137.64, and I had to add twice. It's lame. So my average is 137.98. So it's okay. Swinging this, baby. Okay, big seller. Where's that big seller go?
I closed mine.
I'm swinging GME. This thing hasn't even tested the high of lifetime yet.
Okay, I made a lot.
I'm only gambling 50 shares here, so.
I made like 50,000.
On GME? Wow, it's huge. Okay, here comes the high of lifetime, 150. It keeps holding trend. Should we like do a class on how trend, like it just literally keeps holding trend? Like, I mean, it just holds trends forever. Look at this, isn't it? Look, it holds trend forever.
If you have something deep in the money, you could extend it out to really late expiration, and it hardly costs anything.
And my gut tells me to move in after hours. Like something tells me.
Into a calendar, you just have to close it and then buy it.
Does it move in after hours? What happens in after hours? Oh, in after hours it does move. Okay. Oh, it does move in after hours. Oh, interesting. And the funny thing about this chart is
I like Starbucks. That one has ER too. But then I like the July. So I'm aiming for July because I feel like that's when a lot of the vaccine is going to be distributed and more people will be going out. So I'm hitting for 120 for July. And then FFIV, That's around like 280. Or I would get the February 19, like 105. Maybe 109.
Oh, plug reversed on that dip buy. Hopefully you guys got that pullback on plug.
Plug has ER today.
No, the ER already happened, I thought.
Yeah, had ER today.
Oh,
ER today.
that's why I was confident that it was gonna go up. The ER was 2021 will do really good. 2024 will do even way better. I said, okay, got it. Sometimes the stock market gives you a freebie.
You get the 109 on Starbucks February 19th. It has a huge jump into the next channel. Next strike. Oh no, 10 more minutes.
Holy, VIR is at 75 now. What a move. What a oh my 139. 139? We should do this. Okay, I'm just looking at that big seller.
I feel like CCIV, something's going to happen like really soon.
Holy, BE is closing really strong right now. Do you think CCIB is gonna merge or no? What does your analysis say?
I mean, the Saudis, they're probably just like working out, I don't know, the financial terms and stuff, but then
Yeah.
they initially invested 1.3 billion. So, I mean, the last time they invested in what, BA, that was $120.
Mhm.
And it never went down from there. So I don't think they're going to be pulling out their money. I would just think that they're working out a deal. No?
No, I agree with you. But my question is this: if you're a Saudi fund, right? Why
Mhm.
invest in Lucid when you can just invest in Tesla?
They already invested in Tesla.
Huh?
They already have Tesla.
Oh, okay. All right.
No, really. They already invested in Tesla. Then
I thought they sold their position. Is it the
did
same
they?
fund? I thought they did last year.
The sovereign fund?
I thought they did. Maybe they bought back in. Maybe they're.
Okay. When did they sell it?
I thought they sold at 950.
No, when? Can you show me the article?
They sold it at 950 last year. That's why the whole thing tanked to 350.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
The whole
You're the one that sold it with them. You're like, this is the top. And you said, I'm sold. As soon as you sold, everything tanked. You don't remember that?
I remember, but that's because it was just high. It got to the target.
Like,
Oddly, we
here.
had the same target.
Yeah, you guys all had the same target. I'm not sure how you did that, but
Because
like,
it's on my chart.
no, like,
I don't know
here's
how they. I wish I knew how they did that. Because
how you guys all had the same technical analysis. I was saying,
it's just
remember,
on my chart.
I was saying this was going to go to 50,000. I was like, and then it tanked at 950. I felt so embarrassed. Like everyone dumped at the same day. Yeah.
Okay, here's 150.
I'm swinging GME. I think the move is after hours. Am I crazy?
No,
Like,
I'm swinging it too.
Okay.
I'm just not swinging it on my brother's account.
I'm swinging 50 shares. Gotta. Okay, let's see if this big seller is here. He has about 210,000 shares left. Let's see if he dumped it all or if he's still here. Or he made a quick profit. Because he made a good chunk, right? He shorted at 150, covered at 130, so 20 times 200. So he made 4 mil right there on that short, right? So let's see if she's still. Where are you, my friend? We're just a small fish, right? If he's gone, this is going up. But if he's still here, then it could get choppy. So, where are you, my
Who
friend?
are you talking about? He.
This big short on GME level 2, he had 500,000 shares short at 150. He's a big fish. Maybe he's Melvin from Citadel.
Why are the spreads on FFIV so wide?
Oh yeah, you guys have earnings.
Yeah, there's like the biggest ones today. I keep talking about GME. I'm like freaking out.
Here, you guys can go with them. Yeah, go.
What?
No, like
Can
I'm
you
like
help?
here now.
Can you not like just ditch me again?
I'm not ditching you. I'm
Okay,
just
do you?
momentum trading GME. Like if it goes to 180, it'd be good. Come on.
Can you look at one other chart besides GME and help me?
Sure.
Panic.
But what if GME crashes though? Okay, so what chart are you guys looking at? FFIV?
Is it gonna crash then?
FFIV? This thing always does well in earnings.
Then are you gonna swing it?
No. I'm swinging FGME already. Like no. Not. Oh.
Okay. How about Microsoft?
Oh, Microsoft is it's gonna be an astronomical beat. It's a big beat. This thing's gonna break all time. It already broke A. We talked about this in
It
this
already
morning.
broke. Uh-huh.
Yeah, so this thing 240. What was your target? 240? 240 is a good target for it. And I think it's gonna destroy earnings, like a surprise beat. From what I've seen, the articles I read, they had a lot of capital
I think
reinvestments.
235 is the target.
How much?
235.
240.
I would do a 250 short on January 29 and a 245 long later.
Ugh. 12. Got Did you guys get the dip buy on LUMN? LUMN, I gave you guys a dip buy there. And the swing to 18.
Oh my god, I need to write this down.
So that was the dip buy on LUMN. And that's to share because you guys were saying, oh, Michael's only good at reversal trading or momentum. I'll do some dip buys too. It's just sometimes I'm too some dip. We'll dip buy it if we want. Right now I'm busy trading GME.
Knox just hit 85. Such a good trade. Thanks, Ephraim. And why not like $20 here?
Come on. Oh.
And then Fubo, even though well, that one's really strong.
Okay, Microsoft. Holy, there's a spike to totally, you were right, 235. You got your target exactly too. It's an astronomical beat, right? I'm not even gonna let me read it.
I did the short 250. And I'm saying 245.
Oh, you have the 245s?
Yeah.
There's 240 target.
I think it's gonna go to 240, 245, and then short, not hit the 250.
It depends on the earnings. What was the earnings numbers? Do you know?
It beat 2.3 versus 1.64 estimate on the.
Oh yeah, it blew it out of the water. Microsoft blew it out of the water. Yeah, this thing's
Because if you think about
Mhm.
how many people are at home
Mhm.
working,
Mhm.
like even Mike, right? Buying him a computer because
Yeah.
he has to work at home. So imagine if that's just us, that's everybody.
It's everyone, yeah.
So I got the 245 long and 250 short.
Come on, GM.
I think it's gonna go to like 248.
248. 240 is a good target. So I think this is what's going to happen to Amazon.
Yeah, because the services, if you look at where a bulk of the revenue and why their earnings per share is so much higher, it's saying here, service and other revenues at 23 billion. That's higher than the product revenue, right? So if you think about the product or sales products for Amazon, and then the rate of the growth in their AWS, you'll hit 245. Probably one of the biggest gaps up.
Oh yeah, it's hitting your 245 target. Yeah, this destroyed earnings. It destroyed it. Microsoft. I think Amazon is
revenue is at 15 billion almost.
I think Amazon is going to destroy earnings. Amazon, so it sounds like it's not doing very well lately, but into earnings, my God, like give it a couple days, this thing's just going to.
Amazon just gapped at $50.
Oh yeah, no, I saw that. Think so. Just have to be patient.
So when when you trade earnings, it's fun to trade the other ones that are affected versus the one the day of. Because nobody's expecting that. We're just waiting for AMD.
Yeah.
Okay, so Microsoft is showing the product revenue, right? Their sales. So then you could kind of think, okay, if Microsoft did this well, how well is Apple gonna do?
Apple's going to clean house. You know that from TSM though. TSM, the semiconductor supplier to Apple. Aren't they? Isn't that how TSM and
TSM's like different though. They make the.
But they're partners though. Are they not partners? That TSM did well, Apple's gonna do well. It's like almost a giveaway.
About partners, they're more like
Competitors.
no, they're not competitors. It's like we buy from them, but not directly. Because Apple's making their own chips also.
TSM already does business with Apple.
Yeah, they're just doing business together, but then Apple's start like trying to make their own.
Oh, okay.
But Apple has, I think they have like NVIDIA.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, if the 245 even doesn't hit, if it goes to 244, if you did the diagonal, I think it's finished writing it.
Hey guys, GME's climbing. Is it climbing?
What the February?
It's climbing. Hey. Oh wait, is it? Hey? Oh shit, it's coming. Maybe it's doing an offering. What is it doing?
I'm sorry, this is so after the fact. I'm so pissed off.
What? No, you called on Microsoft. Google.
No, I didn't. I just didn't get to write this on time and I thought I posted it.
What? I thought this thing was moving. Two 240. Come on, give me that house price action.
So I'm not gonna say like, oh, I called it, but then I didn't. Kind of stupid.
You called it. It doesn't even matter if
It doesn't
you make
matter if
money.
if nobody saw it or took the opportunity and then it's up. Does that matter? It's like, haha, just kidding.
No, but a lot of people are longing to have Microsoft. Am I right? All right. Did anyone short Microsoft? I don't think so. Like shorting Microsoft is like shorting GME. No I'm kidding. It's like shorting GME. That's my GME dripping. This is it, guys. Hold on tight, all right? Amazon is gonna destroy earnings. I already I did the analysis, but I also have a gut feeling. Okay, like everything points to a destroyed earnings type move.
It just consolidated too long. Last quarter, they had the highest EPS ever
Mm-hmm.
and earnings ever, but then it didn't move because it's just too soon. Previous quarter just went too fast.
Oh, give me at 154. I told you. I told you the move is in after hours. 157. I know you guys probably made like what 30, 50K on Microsoft, but I think GME's move is it looks stupid now, but this thing is at
No,
all
what
time.
are you talking about? Jamie, that move's killer. It went from like, the 200? It was $2. It went to $25. Whoops, times 6. You should have bought more. What do you call it?
Oh yeah,
Did you see it?
GME. I swung GME. Yeah, I already own Microsoft. I just have to hold through it. I'm just
How come you
I
didn't
just
mention?
Microsoft. I have Microsoft from 162 forever. I'm now. I can't sell Microsoft anyway. Even if you guys said it was bad, I wasn't gonna sell it or anything. Just gonna hold it forever.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I have equities, right? So I don't have leaps or anything, so I can't scalp in and out of it or anything. So
Why would you scalp leaves?
no, I'm scalping GME instead. You know what I
Okay,
mean? Like I'll make money somewhere else. I don't have to.
I'm gonna get off.
Yeah,
I'm annoyed now.
I can't scalp leaps from Microsoft. I don't know how. I'm trading GME though. Look at GME. It's a 168. Microsoft. I mean, I think Microsoft goes the 200. I don't know. Keep it forever. I'm not sure why Esther's mad at me. Do you guys know why? You guys killed earnings. And then I'm helping. I'm just saying swing GME. That's it. I think we should just hold here. This sounds crazy, but I think GME can go to who knows where it can go in after hours. You guys don't think GME is gonna go higher? And do you think I'm manipulating the stock market? Dude, who swung this? Don't get me wrong, Microsoft is doing some good shit, but I don't have any leads or options or anything, so I can't make. I just have equities, so. GME 200? I told you it would do something in that. I thought. And it kept holding trend. Kept holding trend. Who the fuck would short this? Let me ask you that. Does anyone want to short this? All right, this sounds okay. This sounds stupid, but fucking thing's going to 200 minimum. $200. There's no top. There's literally no top for this stupid thing. Okay, is anyone still in GME? Shit. Fuck. Dude, there is no top. I will not short this. Why would you short this? Don't you guys hear on TV? I know this sounds ridiculous, but I think it goes to 300. I don't have that many shares. 50. I should have held my full 200, but yeah. There's 200. Okay. There's. Oh, are you serious? That was good. Okay. All right. So I think that's good enough. I unloaded all my shares there. I don't mind adding a little bit back if it gets a little lower, and if it goes up a little higher, I don't mind adding like 10 shares just to see the move up. But I think if you take profits here, it's great. But if you add a little bit more, just know the risk, right? 1 share is great, 2 shares is fine, whatever you do want to do. Do I think it goes to 300 here? I think this is going to gun for 200. So 200.
What's up, everyone? Ross here from Warrior Trading.
So morning.
June and
you guys laughed at me.
we're currently,
but that's the mark of momentum, right? So I think if it breaks 200, let's see, 250, 240, 280, 320. Those are the numbers, baby. That was good. Okay, that was a good sell there. Did everyone sell? Where did everyone sell at? That was an amazing sell. Ah, amazing. So I don't think I've seen this many times before. Don't give back your profits here. Don't dip buy anything. It could be risky if you dip buy small and get out tight, and then we'll see how the price action is tomorrow. This thing can open up. The truth is this thing can open up at 240 tomorrow, or this thing can open up at 120. All right. Before I'm gonna let you guys go, I'm gonna ask you guys this. All right. Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? I'm going to say this again. And I know you guys will say, holy fuck, Michael's cocky. But let me tell you about technical analysis, all right? It closed on Friday at 68. It opened up at 80, and it went to 150. Last night, it closed at 70, opened up at 85, closed at 150. Guess what it's doing? It's putting in higher lows, right? This thing, until it breaks trend, this thing only can go up, really. This thing has not broken it's not broken its daily trend, and it has not broken its intraday trend. So to have that understanding of technical analysis sets you up for this big move and puts you in that confidence level, right? Say, okay, I see what the hell is happening. And then I even said, don't get me wrong, the move will be in after hours. There's a reason for that. Does anyone know why the move will be in after hours? Anyways. Does anyone know? I'll tell you guys. It was either going to be an after hours or pre-market. That's the truth. After hours or pre-market. It turns out it's after hours. That's all. All right? Okay. Good night, guys. Oh, let's do the survey. And then we'll call it a day. Deal? I'm really happy with our trading this week.